FGEN stock analysis March 13 and onward. Should you buy now or not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Having done well over spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors over the last 5 years, I figured out what's making me money. I do have all the proof to back it up. With FibroGen stock, I am just seeing a decent increase in price. But with that in mind, am I just going to buy randomly? Not necessarily. I mean, I was very open-minded for buying more. It was only going to be something that I'm going to pull the trigger on if I saw this double break. And guess what? It never gave me that shift, so therefore I never bought or never really did anything. And to be very frank and honest, because this is typically how big things happen, but the likelihood that this thing keeps going down is still quite high if it actually breaks this demand zone. If it breaks 30 cents, obviously then I'm trying out the bearish waters. Right now, still, we're pretty much like one range away, one range shift away from really like literally even buying. So I'm going to continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money in a simple way or not, click the first link in the description. There's a lot of sauce.